Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy and GMC's 2002 to 2009 Trailblazer and Envoy. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Raise the vehicle and support it securely. Remove the rear wheel. Move any lines away from the track bar bracket area. Remove the track bar and the rear shock. Step 3. Cut off the factory track bar bracket by cutting along the base where it is welded to the frame rail. If the frame rail needs repair, grind the area to bare metal, apply weld-through primer, then install the repair kit. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Position the replacement track bar bracket using the factory silhouette or your repair kit markings for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the bracket in place. Then, fully weld all edges. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. If any other parts were removed to install a frame repair kit, install their replacements or reinstall them at this time. Reinstall the track bar and rear shock, then reinstall the rear wheel.